In this video, we are going to fix downloading apps from Microsoft Store error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check for pending updates. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At these settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option which is Windows Update, click on it. And if you have pending updates here under the Windows Update, I want you to install that one. Okay, so install the pending updates under here. Okay, if you can find any in this one, you can proceed to the advanced options. And from here, you can see the optional updates. Click on that, and if there are any available here, then install it in your PC. And then once you are done, try to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then I want you to clear the Microsoft Store cached. Press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So please wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.